Hey guys, today I'm going to be telling you how to build a, so this is a circuitry tutorial. I'm telling you how to build a spark machine. This is in no way dangerous unless there is gunpowder nearby, and that way, in that case, don't do it at all, okay? Alright, so this is in no way dangerous. It can't hurt you. It's just a fun little, it's basically a mini firework without the fire. So the stuff you need for this is a monster capacitor like this one, a huge one. So you need one of these. You need so you can also use a breadboard. But if you have a soldering iron, you could also just use that. So the breadboard is only if you don't have a soldering iron. Next thing you need is a 9-volt battery connector. And then this is a half 9-volt battery connector. It's only the positive. So you need one of these. Oh, dropped it. And then you need two 9-volt batteries and two of these wires, red and black or red and green, doesn't matter. It has to be different colored. And then a metal rod. I'm pretty sure that's it. So, yeah. You don't need any 3D printed parts, you don't need anything. Just this stuff. Alright, the first thing you do is you take this thing and you connect it to the negative terminal, the negative terminal of this, yes. Yeah, so whatever, any way you want to do it, you connect it to the negative terminal. And you just twist it on. Or you could solder it, which I don't recommend. I don't have one. And you connect that to the positive of the other one. So now you take this piece and you attach it like that, and there's your battery. It's just two 9-volt batteries. Alright. So the next thing you do is you take the capacitor and you put the green wire, you stick it on the side that has that marking on it. You put the green wire, you put it under the little thing. Yeah, under that. Just kind of stick it in there. And you get the other wire, a red one, and you put it on the side that doesn't have any marks. And you stick it right there. You take your breadboard and you put the positive and negative in either side. Wait, hold on. Like that. And then you put the negative of the green one on that side and the red on this side, and there you go. You're done. Now you just touch the metal rod to this and... Oh man, wait, hold on. 1 second. 1 second. Alright, now... Cool, right? So, you can make this with, if you're a kid, I think I have to say, get an adult to help you with this. If you're a kid, because I'm gonna get freaking taken down if I don't say that. And it makes a cool noise. It makes like just a spark. So yeah. So yes. And then if you want to not have it anymore, just take it apart and you can build something else. This is my first circuitry tutorial on this channel, and hope you guys like it. But yeah, it's and then I'll try to make like some system where it's like a motor and then like, but yeah, that's it for today.